We are given experimental data for reactions between dinitrogen and dioxygen forming different compounds. We have to analyze the data and identify the law of chemical combination, and then solve unit conversions. Let us start with part A. We are given masses of dinitrogen and corresponding masses of dioxygen. Our goal is to find which law is followed. Step 1. Fix the mass of one element. Here, we take dinitrogen as fixed. We observe that, in first case, 14 grams nitrogen reacts with 16 grams oxygen. In second case, 14 grams nitrogen reacts with 32 grams oxygen. Now take the cases where nitrogen is 28 grams. To compare properly, we convert 28 grams nitrogen into 14 grams by dividing by 2. So, 32 grams oxygen becomes 16 grams. 80 grams oxygen becomes 40 grams. Now all values are comparable with 14 grams nitrogen. So oxygen masses are 16, 32, 16 and 40. Now find the ratio. 16:32 is to 16:40. Divide by smallest value 16. We get ratio 2:4:2:5. This is a simple whole number ratio. So, we conclude that the data follows the law of multiple proportions. Now the statement of the law. When two elements combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element that combine with a fixed mass of the other are in simple whole number ratios. Now let us move to part B, which is unit conversion. Part 1. Convert 1 kilometer into millimeter and picometer. We know, 1 kilometer equals 10 to the power 3 meters, 1 meter equals 10 to the power 3 millimeters. So, 1 kilometer equals 10 to the power 6 millimeters. Also, 1 meter equals 10 to the power 12 picometers. So, 1 kilometer equals 10 to the power 15 picometers. Now part 2. Convert 1 milligram into kilogram and nanogram. We know, 1 milligram equals 10 to the power minus 3 grams and 1 gram equals 10 to the power minus 3 kilograms. So, 1 milligram equals 10 to the power minus 6 kilograms. Also, 1 gram equals 10 to the power 9 nanograms. So, 1 milligram equals 10 to the power 6 nanograms. Now part 3. Convert 1 milliliter into liter and cubic decimeter. We know, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. So, 1 milliliter equals 10 to the power minus 3 liters. Also, 1 liter equals 1 cubic decimeter. So, 1 milliliter equals 10 to the power minus 3 cubic decimeter. 1 kilometer equals 10 to the power 6 millimeters and 10 to the power 15 picometers. 1 milligram equals 10 to the power minus 6 kilograms and 10 to the power 6 nanograms. 1 milliliter equals 10 to the power minus 3 liters and 10 to the power minus 3 cubic decimeter.